We are here in Seaside, Oregon, one of the popular coasts in Oregon.
Uy, pambata lang yan. Tawag pa natin yung bata. Okay lang po kami na big one.
That's good.
Asan ba ang ilalim?
Hindi makikita ilalim.
Breaking it!
Oh, you mean there's a
Ang laki oh, grabe oh. My God.
I can see it. Face me, face me.
Wow. You're great.
Last time you shared, big.
Oh my God.
Okay guys, we're stopping by for lunch here. We are here in Seaside, Oregon, one of the popular coasts in Oregon. It's a full pound, yes.
Did you know it's gonna be that much?
She's not ready.
Share.
What's that?
Doing?
Yeah.
No, I didn't know.
I didn't look at mine either. I don't know what mine-
No, I just have the tsunami pastrami. That's a half pound.
Yeah.
Everybody's having fun.
I mean, not that.
Mukbang.
That's for
We're having a mukbang here. Pastrami Mukbang.
We always use glass on the board.
Huge.
Yeah, we've learned that we can never finish all of them.
You know what happens
Hi,
when you get
guys.
two sandwiches? Here, eat the rest of mine too, so I have one.
Dinner na.
Hanggang bukas yung pang breakfast mo na.
You don't need to cook anything.
Huwag ka na magluto. Panoorin mo na lang kami mamaya.
Buy a pound of rye bread, you can then roll it all in.
So cute. You know what? This Alright guys, we are done for today. We are back home and having dinner. And I will see you guys later. Good morning!
Good morning.
Good morning! What are you cooking there? Ooh.
Sinangag.
It's about time you make that sinangag. Sinangag! Good morning!
Champorado.
Champorado! Good morning, Tony!
Good morning.
Good morning, John! Oh my goodness. We're just so lucky yesterday.
We have one
Oh
day.
my gosh.
Like I said, we have
Wow.
one day to play. Yeah.
It's amazing.
Yeah. First of all, the weather sucks.
Yeah.
We need a full refund.
Alright guys, this is our last day here today.
Yes.
We're heading back home.
Yes.
It's such a short day, but we did have a wonderful
We had a
time
grand
together.
time.
Yes.
We have a grand time. As
Yeah.
long as we're all together, everything is
Yes.
happiness.
Uh-huh. Alright guys, everybody's gone. Nobody's here. It's just me and Jackie. So now we're heading back home, guys. We're gonna be driving for another 5 hours to get home. So I will see you guys later. For those of you that is not subscribed, please press like and subscribe and ring that bell. I'll see you guys later. Have a good week, guys. Bye-bye. Hi guys. Hello. We're having a cocktail. That's gonna be a long day.
Extra quick.
Today we are back home and having dinner.
Yummy.
Good morning, guys. Go to Astoria. We're gonna take advantage of this weather. We are in front of Astoria column. Okay, guys, we're in the top of the column. All right, guys, we're going down.
Uy, pambata lang yan.
Got it, Clark.
That's good.
Oh, grabe. Oh my God. Okay guys, we're stopping by for lunch here. We are here in Seaside, Oregon, one of the popular coasts in Oregon.
Explosion.